Welcome to Lon's Rods, back at the barn working on the AstroVan. Got those last seals in the front differential, so the case is all sealed up. That's the side seal numbers there, 710, 491. Knocked the old one out the old way with a chisel. There's the new one. So she's got all new seals. Gonna put some new lube in her. Get those carrier bushings. Waiting for those in the mail, and then waiting on the CV shafts. Should have this thing suspension wise back together, and new shocks and everything. Subscribe to Lon's Rods for more content. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. It's a beautiful day. Have a good one.